Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change exhaust mode on your Mustang. This feature allows you to customize your vehicle's sound, from a subtle purr to a roaring growl, all at your fingertips. We will cover how to find the controls, understand each setting, and even schedule quiet starts. Get ready to master your Mustang's voice and enhance every drive. To change your exhaust mode, first locate the pony button on your steering wheel. Pressing this button will bring up a menu on your instrument cluster or infotainment screen. From there, simply scroll or tap to find the exhaust mode option. Once selected, you will see the 4 different sound profiles ready for you to choose. Your Mustang offers 4 distinct exhaust modes. Quiet mode is perfect for neighborhood courtesy, keeping the sound around 72 decibels. Normal provides a classic, balanced Mustang rumble for daily commutes. Sport mode amplifies the exhaust for a more engaging driving experience. Finally, track mode delivers the full, unbridled roar, reaching up to 86 decibels, designed for exhilarating performance on closed courses. Beyond simply selecting a mode, you can also schedule quiet start for specific times, ensuring your Mustang begins silently. Always be mindful of your environment when choosing louder modes like Sport or Track, especially in residential areas. Remember, this fantastic active exhaust system is an optional feature on many Mustang models, offering incredible versatility for your driving pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.